We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. And now we're excited to share the great news with you. Take a look. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We are thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.